So I'm Yaron Ilan. I'm the chairman of medicine at Hadassah Hebrew Medical Center in Jerusalem, former vice dean of the Hebrew Medical School, and former president of the Israel Liver Association. I'm a hepatologist and gastroenterologist by training. My main focus of research is on the development of immune therapies to HCC using various modes of activating various cells in the immune system. Why NK cells, or what's their role in HCC? NK cells are important components of our immune system. They serve as regulators. They interact with many other components of the immune system, such as T and B cells, dendritic cells, and they have a potent ability to play an to produce an anti-tumor effect in various tumors, including in HCC. The way they do it is that when you redirect the NK cells in an anti-tumor direction, they secrete pro-inflammatory cytokines that can suppress tumor growth, and they can also activate other cells in the immune system to suppress tumor growth. They can also induce apoptosis of tumor cells, and altogether control the immune system in an anti-tumor effect, suppressing tumor growth. Their role in suppressing HCC specifically was shown in several models, and there are there's also evidence from humans for their role in the pathogenesis of the disease and tumor suppression, specifically in patients with HCC. Now, why GPC3 is a key novel target in patients with HCC? This epitope is common on liver cancer cells, and most importantly, does not express on benign liver tissue, which makes it an ideal target for immune therapy towards HCC. Most importantly, this epitope was already shown that it can be used for diagnosis of patients with HCC, suggesting that it correlates with disease severity. And most importantly, there have been studies showing that overexpression of this epitope on the tumor cells correlates with disease prognosis, meaning that this is not just an epitope which is a signal for the tumor, it also has a role in the pathogenesis of tumor development. Taken together, it seems like an attractive molecule for the development for immune therapy for suppression of HCC. So this epitope was shown to be relevant in several other tumors. For some of them, we don't have an ideal therapy. So they were shown, it is expressed in hepatoblastoma, for which there is no good therapy, Wilms tumor in kidneys, mainly in children, several rhabdosarcomas. And there are also several germ cell type tumors which express this epitope, making it an ideal or potential target for immune therapy for other tumors as well. So GPC3 CAR T cells were already shown to have an effect against tumors and specifically against HCC in several xenograft models. However, the CAR NKT targeting this epitope has a much more potent effect than regular CAR T cells by using the power of NK cells and the specificity of this epitope to direct the cells and direct the whole immune system to suppress tumor growth. The results in animal models are far better than we see with other immunomodulatory tumors in HCC, and carry the potential that if we give it to humans, we will be able to improve survival. HCC is currently an unmet need. It's the fourth leading cause of cancer among men in the Western world, mainly due to the fact that these tumors are unfortunately chemo-resistant and radio-resistant. The current available therapies, including the novel immune modulatory agents being used, the biologicals, carry severe side effects, and many of the patients cannot tolerate them. But most importantly, their efficacy is very limited in terms of survival. So all the current therapies that we have are either intolerable by the patients or do not really provide benefit in terms of survival or significant benefit. The use of CAR-NK cells directed against the GPC3 carry the potential of inducing the immune system in the right direction, specifically towards an epitope, which is important in the pathogenesis of tumor growth, and activating the right cells in the immune system that has the potential to suppress tumor growth. So our expectation from using this therapy in patients is that we can really improve survival in these patients, suppress tumor growth, and improve both morbidity and mortality among patients who carry this devastating tumor.